set for some baseball at Carolina Stadium. And the first pitch of this 2011 season is a strike.
Hoping he can get Perry to roll over on one and open up an opportunity for a double play. 2-2 pitch. Hard ball hit right at Mooney. 6-4-3. Rack him up. The double play ball from Taylor gets the Gamecocks out of the inning. 0-2 the count. 2 outs in the ninth. Sullivan checks the runner at second. The stretch and the pitch. Swing and a miss. And that will do it. The Gamecocks open 2011 with an impressive performance and a victory.